everyone, welcome to my channel, The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Manglik Toy Impex. He's an exclusive manufacturer of toys, all types of toys you'll get. You'll get like for play school furniture, toys, Montessori equipment, slides. For kids also you'll get A to Z toys you'll get. This comes in a street called Mamulpet, which comes in Bengaluru, India. His Google Maps is there in description below. And his own brand, he has a own brand also called Baby Steps. And the landmark is this white temple, that white color if you can just see. So that is a landmark. This is the outlet, the Google Maps is there in description below. You'll get A to Z kids toys. These kind of toys if you want, small, big board games. Everything you'll get. They are the manufacturers. You have a great opportunity. Minimum 3,000 online. When you come to the outlet, you can buy as much as you want, but minimum online is 3,000. But when you come to the outlet, as much as you want, board games, whatever you ask, they have all types of toys over here for kids 0 to 14 years. And the Google Maps is there in description below. The Instagram link, channel link is in my description below, so you can go and subscribe there. You will be getting regular updates. This is a ground floor, this is a main outlet. So when you come here, you can come here. From here, I'm going to one more outlet, which is nearby the outlet only. And this is the outlet, you can just have a look. All the toys are here. How amazing the toys are. So many varieties, A to Z toys you will get. Amazing outlet, superb outlet. This kind of outlet you will get once in 20 videos. They are into this business for many years. Minimum 3,000. No single piece, no retail online. Offline, you can buy as much as you want. So this is also their stock area. You can just have a look. They have multiple types of toys and all. They are the manufacturer and distributors. So you can just see here, you'll get board games. So many varieties are there. A to Z toys you'll get. All these are the cars, trucks. You can just have a look. All types of major brands you'll get, like Chorus, OK Play, Senti. Multiple brands. They are the distributor also. They are the manufacturer also. So you can just see the stock. If you want 500 piece, 1000 piece, 2000 piece, 3000 piece, all types readily available. How much you want, delivery worldwide is there. Delivery charges will be there. And just check the stock and the varieties of the toys. I don't think so you'll get these kind of varieties everywhere. Only selected place, few 1, 2, 3 place in India you'll get. This is the stock area. You can just have a look. Awesome stock, awesome varieties of kids toys you'll get. A to Z kids toys. So this is a warehouse. You can just have a look where all the stocks and all are there. Totally 3 floors are there. They are the manufacturer of all the toys, preschool toys, big, small, all types of toys. Even if you want for your apartment, for your personal use, like this, all types of chairs, all types of toys you'll get. These are few sample of the chairs. You can just have a look. And they're into this business for many years. Exclusive manufacturer of kids toys. And these are few samples. They have more than I think 2,000 varieties of stock. And you can just see the outlet, very big outlet. So these all are the products. You'll get multiple products here for kids. You can just have a look. I have 3 floors. So this is a stock area. You can just see. Right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Mangal Chand. So whenever you come here, you can meet him or his son Vipul and Vikram. So this is one more floor of the warehouse. And you can just have a look. Stock. Superb stock. Very all types of varieties you'll get. All big toys, small toys, all types of toys you'll get. So these are few samples like this. You can just see scooter is there. These kind of toys are there. And they're into this business for many years. This is one more floor of the stock. You can just have a look at the stock. Whatever toys you're looking, small, big, all types of toys you'll get for preschool, for house, for whatever you want, for park, for apartment, everything you'll get. As I'm going to show you the outlet also, and you can just see these all are some toys, big toys like this you'll get over here. This is also one types of cycle. You can just see very nice with 3 wheels. This is again chairs like this, lot of varieties, lot of colors you'll get. So number is on video screen. WhatsApp video call them. They'll send you all details. Right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Vipul Jain. Hi Mr. Vipul, welcome to my show. Mr. Vipul, tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get in your studio?
Hi, welcome to Manglik Toy Impex.
Okay.
We are manufacturers, importers and distributors for playground equipments, preschool toys and Montessori equipments.
And how many years old for you in this business?
We established in 1981.
Okay. And where all your product goes?
Manufacturing product goes all over India.
Okay.
We sell on Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry also.
And
for
which are the
distribution also?
Yeah, which are the brands you deal?
If you want to know reputed brands, we deal with OK Play,
Okay.
Chorus, Skillophone. These are all preschool toys and preschool brands.
Okay.
In the toy category, we deal in Senti, Imagimake, Baby Steps, which is our own brand, Then we have Zafire, which was available on Shark Tank India.
Okay.
In the name of Blix. We are
Okay.
distributors and super stockists for that company.
Okay, and would you like to show some sample of your products? So right now it's going to show some sample. So this is your brand, no? Baby Steps?
This Baby Steps is my brand.
Okay.
So this toy is basically for 12 months and above, where
Okay.
they can learn stacking, color learning,
Okay.
hand-eye coordination improvement,
Okay.
and all our products are ISI approved.
Okay, and price we cannot tell because his business gets affected. He supplies to a lot of people in India. That's the reason. And then what about this?
This is an educational product.
Okay.
Where they can learn the map,
Okay.
the whole world map,
Okay.
with capitals of every country.
Okay.
And when they download the app and scan it through the phone,
Okay.
they can see these all features in an
Okay.
augmented form.
Okay. Cool.
And this is one more shape sorter, where the kid can learn shapes and color
Okay.
by
Nice.
segregating it, and they
Okay.
can use this for clay molds.
And what age to what age you get here toys?
0 to 14 years.
Okay. Cool.
And this is Hasbro brand. Life. In this we have many other products, but
Okay.
this is a familiar brand, and we keep only originals. We do
Okay.
not keep any copyright products or
Okay. So this is all like snake and ladder and other business.
kind of that, but it is a category called Life.
Okay, life. Okay, so this kind of board games also you'll get.
Yes. Then we are distributors for this brand called Chorus,
Okay.
where they make premium quality stationery and gifting products.
Okay. So kid stationery also you get.
Yes. Basic stationery and clay,
Okay.
color pencils.
Okay. Cool. Then
Then we have like these are all role play for boys. Generally you get role play for girls, we also have for boys.
okay.
So it's like a tool set where they can assemble it, play, and then fold it and carry it, put it
More
in
like
suitcase.
engineering.
Yes.
Okay. Mechanical.
And this is a magnetic building blocks.
Okay. Wow.
And this is a car ramp
Okay.
where you have 2 cars and 2 balls. When
Okay.
the kid leaves the car from here, it flips down and comes.
Oh, nice.
There's no battery in it.
Nice.
And we have good quality scooters.
Okay.
These are all Indian made
Okay.
with lights. You can multicolor in this. These are ride-ons. These are also Indian made.
Okay.
These are also Indian made.
Okay.
We have around 50 varieties in this.
Okay. So Vipul, what about this area? What and all you'll get over
This is
here?
our preschool display area.
Okay.
We have kept few items on display over here,
Okay.
such as wooden furniture.
Okay.
You get multi-seater also into this.
Okay.
Rockers,
Okay.
seesaws, swing
Okay.
cars.
Okay.
Then Pink Tower. This is a pure Montessori product.
Okay.
This is from Skill of Fun, which we are distributors for.
Okay.
Then these slides and all are from OK Play.
Okay.
We are Karnataka distributors for this.
Okay.
These chairs are manufactured by us in
Okay.
Bangalore.
Nice.
These are ride-ons. These are all pure Montessori products, which all school by. This is a Geosolid.
Okay. Nice.
Sound boxes,
Okay. Very nice.
maze,
You have won 2,000 toys altogether. 2-3,000.
puppets.
Okay. Soft toys.
Puppets.
Puppets. Okay.
Then here we have the maze.
Okay. Wow. Nice.
Then Lego wall.
Okay.
This is to put on the wall
Uh-huh.
in the school, and then they can fix the Legos on the wall.
In this, how many types of designs you get?
You get around 7-8 designs. in
7-8 designs. Okay. Cool. And so
Then
this
we
all
have
are the
carpets.
products. Okay.
Carpets.
And this all are the alphabets.
Yes. These are all wooden. They're all from Skill of Fun and Eduway. They're all according to Montessori specification.
Nice. Nice. Wow. Beautiful.
You get different patterns in this.
What size to what size you get in this?
This is standard size 8x5 or 8x5.
Okay.
You get different patterns. This is a world map. Then you get universe, space.
Yeah.
These are mats which are size of 6x7.
Okay.
Or premium quality, not the regular 6, 700 which is selling in the bazaar.
Okay.
Specifically for schools.
Okay.
We have many other items like this, such as that seesaw
Okay.
that hit me.
Okay.
Seesaw, that's all made. This is made in Korea.
Okay.
We are the distributors for all India.
And so Vipul, what about this sections? What do you get?
This is our generic toy section,
Okay.
where we have return gifts and toys, like these kind of return gifts.
Okay. Nice.
They are used for gifting.
Okay.
Then these guys are educational game.
Okay.
This is manufactured by us.
Nice.
And this is wooden pickup stick.
Okay.
Then we have a segment for Senti especially.
Okay.
We are the super stockist for this company.
Okay.
And any product, any design, any day we have more than 200 pieces available in our warehouse.
This one. Okay.
Yes. Cool. Then these are all generic school toys, or they buy for their home and stores also.
Okay.
Animals and birds, and
Nice. Okay. Apart from you.
then we have these return gift options. These are all Indian made.
Okay.
They're distributors for this brand as well. And we have good quality fancy bags for kids.
Okay. This wattage to wattage we get?
This is for generally for kindergarten age.
Kindergarten. Okay. And this is a suitcase type.
These are suitcases.
Nice.
You get 7 to 8 patterns in this.
Oh.
And this is 18 inch. We have one more size 20 inch.
This used for what?
This is a real kid suitcase where
Oh.
they have one backpack inside.
Nice.
I'll show you one.
So for traveling indoors.
Yes.
Very nice. Cool.
So this is
What size we get in this?
18 inch.
Standard.
Yes. We will get one more bigger size 20. This is a backpack inside.
Oh, nice.
Polycarbonate.
Okay. How many designs will get?
Eight designs.
Okay. Then?
Then we have these generic toys, these key toys for in
Oh, nice.
push toys. And these.
So right from born baby till 14 years.
Yes. These
Beautiful. Wow.
stationaries.
Nice. And then what about this section?
This is also a continuation. Here,
Okay.
here we have dolls.
Okay. Oh, doll section.
Dolls.
Nice.
Then projector.
In dolls one, how many varieties you'll have?
Around 20.
20 varieties. Okay.
Projectors.
Projector. Okay. Like a space.
From this side. Then these are all role play products.
Okay.
Beauty set.
Nice.
And RC cars.
Wonderful. Remote operated. This one. Okay.
And then trucks.
Nice.
And this is a shield gun. It's like a Captain America shield gun.
Oh, nice. Cool.
So it shoots bullet also and it becomes a shield also.
Okay.
And we have the other side we have all blocks and other
And
stuff.
you'll have all those bowling alley gamers.
Yes, everything is also magnetic tiles. These are all premium quality things. We have the local ones also there.
Nice.
The premium ones. And these are all used for schools.
Okay.
These are all school related blocks.
Okay.
Legos. Here also you can see. These are all educational blocks.
Okay.
And this is mechanics, which I was talking about in the earlier shot,
Okay.
which had appeared on Shark Tank India.
Oh. Okay.
And this is all chorus. Yeah, these are clays and sketch pens, stationery kits, clays. And here we have complete range of board games.
So these are the board games.
Board
You
games
can
and
just
DIY kits.
Okay.
Art and craft kits and board games.
These are all other board games. You can
Yes.
just have a look. In board games, what you have? 150 varieties.
Yeah, easily.
Okay. So we can
We
just
have
see
basic
chess.
board games or like chess, Ludo, business.
Okay.
And then we have some new games such as Othello,
Okay.
Monopoly, Life. But those are original ones only.
Nice.
We don't keep the copy ones.
So you can just see so many board games that keeps your kids
Leaving
very
that,
active.
We have many items which are not assembled or kept on display here.
Okay.
As they are huge items such as study tables,
Okay.
battery operated ride-on cars, jeeps, cycles, tricycles, all are available.
So before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having amazing collections of kids toys. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love their collections. You'll become the regular customers. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.